How to fix we disabled your Facebook account 180 days. So let's get started. So go to any web browser and in search address bar search for the Facebook support or Facebook help center. Once you do so, then you will get to see recover your Facebook option available there. Tap on it. Once inside it, scroll down. Now there you will get to see the yes no question available there. Scroll it till you find the yes no question available. You can see the question, is it useful or not? So now all you have to do is simply tap on the no option available there, and from there simply tap on the solution is not working option available there. Once you tap on the solution is not working, you can contact Facebook support via it. Now all you have to do is make a clear, respectful appeal explaining why you believe the account should be reactivated, especially if it was disabled by mistake. Facebook usually responds within a few days to a few weeks. Due to the high volume of appeals, it may take longer. So check your email regularly for updates or requests for more information. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.